week working on one of our projects, do some life cycle works on an existing system, and we're changing the linear coupler, which is the sort of the server of the system, the centre of the system, the hub of the system. But what we've done in the build up to this, we've put a backup system in place, which is going to make this a much swifter operation, ultimately with no downtime for the client. Although we're working away in the plant room, the end user won't effectively even know we're up here, which is perfect for them, of course. So what you'll find is A&E, wards, outpatients departments, anywhere within the hospital where you're likely to have your blood taken, the bloods will be, depending on the urgency of it, sent individually into a carrier directly to the labs, or maybe collected up for every half an hour. They send them into a carrier into the labs, and then the laboratory is able to process those. What does the linear coupler do? Well, a bit of it's in the name really. Linear, it moves linear direction left to right, and it couples, it joins together. So if I'm sending from zone 1 to zone 2, it will land on the linear coupler where it's transferred from zone 1 to zone 2. But what this linear coupler also does, it offers storage, which is hugely important, because when we're sending from zone 1 to zone 2, if zone 2's busy, we need somewhere to temporarily park that carrier. Our switchover is very, very quick. It is literally cutting of 10 tubes out with the old, slip the new one in, level it off, connect it up, make up one connector, and I'd anticipate within an hour we'll have the new one in place of the old one and operational. And then obviously we'll monitor it for a period of time. I'd say anybody who's got a system and not sure about its condition or its potential, or they're not using it, what have you, then speak to us. You know, we've got the knowledge. We've got a knowledge across a lot of different systems in our workforce. People like myself have been here 25 years. And yeah, we can make a system work again, or we can give you the best options to get it up to a working standard again. We've got a very wide coverage, service and maintenance. We've got a very wide coverage for installations, and we've got a project department who have delivered many site refurbishments, site swap outs, new controllers, enhanced controllers, and it's our bread and butter. It's what we do. It's our business.